Hello guys, welcome to our English class today. We will study theme 1, numbers, lesson 3. At the end of our class, you will be able to ask and answer about cardinal numbers from 1 to 100. Listen, point and say. 2. Listen and read. 3. Listen and write the numbers. 4. Listen, then practice. 5. Point, ask and answer. Okay, we start with listen, point, and say. Now you listen and point to the number.
Theme 1. Numbers.
Lesson 3. A. Listen, point and say.
30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100.
Activity 2. Listen and read.
B. 1. Listen and read.
The children are playing with their toys.
Wow, Mai, you have a lot of books. How many books do you have?
I have 35 books.
How many crayons do you have, Lucy?
I have 50 crayons.
50? That's a lot. How many cars do you have, Tom?
I have a lot in a box. I have 65 cars.
65? Wow!
Yes, I like cars. What's that, Alfie?
It's a monster.
Wow, how many monsters do you have?
I have 100 monsters.
100? Wow.
Okay, look at here. Repeat after me. How many books do you have? I have 35 books. Activity 3. Listen and write the numbers. Okay, you listen for a number and then write down before the books or before the crayons, cars, and monster.
B. 2. Listen and write the numbers. Look at the picture. Listen. There is one example. 1.
Wow, Mai, you have a lot of books. How many books do you have?
I have 35 books.
Can you see the number? This is an example. Now, listen and write the numbers. 2.
How many crayons do you have, Lucy?
I have 50 crayons.
50? That's a lot.
3.
How many cars do you have, Tom?
I have a lot in a box. I have 65 cars.
65? Wow!
Yes, I like cars.
4.
What's that, Alfie?
It's a monster.
Wow, how many monsters do you have?
I have 100 monsters.
100? Wow.
Now let's check the answer together. Number 2, we have 50 crayons. Number 3, 65 cars. Number 4, 100 mustard. We move to activity 4. Listen, then practice.
C.
Listen, then practice.
How many books do you have?
I have 55 books.
Okay, listen. After me, how many books do you have? I have 55 books.
C.
Activity 5. Point, ask and answer. What it is? Crayon, book, doll, rubber, mustard, pencil, eraser, pen, and car. Now you use the question. How many crayons do you have? I have 33 crayons. Now, number 2, books. We use the question. How many books do you have? And we will choose the number on the left. I choose number 30, so I answer I have 30 books. You do the same for number 3 to number 9. Okay? Let's move to workbook. A. Circle. Look at the number 30, and then we circle the word 30. Number 2, 40, circle 40. 50, circle this one. Okay? Okay, you do the same for number 4 to number 8. B. Listen and tick the box. There is one example.
B. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. How many socks does Mike have?
Mike, what are these things all over your bedroom?
They're my socks.
How many socks do you have?
I have, 17 socks.
Clean them up, Mike.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. How many trucks does Freddie have?
Freddie, your toys are everywhere.
They're my trucks.
How many trucks do you have?
I have 24 trucks.
So, I have 24 trucks. So you tick 24.
2. How many books does Maria have?
Let's go play in my room, Rose.
Sure. Wow, Maria, you have so many books.
Yes, I like reading stories.
How many books do you have?
I have 46 books.
Wow.
Number 2, how many books does Maria have? She has 46 books.
3. How many pencils does Joe have?
Joe, can I have a pencil, please?
Sure.
Wow, that's a big pencil case. How many pencils do you have?
I have 23 pencils.
Can I have a blue one?
Sure.
So 23 pencils.
4. How many flowers does Millie have?
Hi, Millie. You have a lot of flowers. They're so nice.
Thank you.
How many flowers do you have?
I have 67 flowers.
67.
Now, listen
Okay.
again.
C. Look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines There is one example. Now look here, we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 19, 10, 90, and 100. Example, how many rubbers do you have? Look at, you can find the rubbers here, okay? 40, and then write the word 40. Number 1, question number 1, how many books do you have? Can you find out the books? Here, 60. Write down here, 60. Okay, number 2, how many crayons do you have? Crayon, okay. Here we go, 100. How many cars do you have? Car here, 30. Number 4, how many monsters do you have? Can you see the monster? Okay, 90. So you write down the word 90. 5. How many dolls do you have? Here we go, 50. Okay, next. At home, you remember to write down the vocabulary from number 30 to number 100 on your workbook, okay? And the structure, how many books do you have? I have 55 books. This is the end of our lesson today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.